Oh, hi, Mr. Peter.
Hi, how are you, dear viewer? Welcome to Malaika Village. Malaika Village is a gated community where tranquility, convenience, and comfort converge. We are now on phase 3, Malaika phase 3, whereby we have just finished doing 14 units. And right now, what you can see is that we're doing the final stages. We're actually doing the paint work, and we're also doing the trunk road that connects all the units. So basically, I can comfortably and conveniently say that we are almost done. We are like 99%. And the good thing is that most of these units have already been taken up. Actually, we only have one unit that is still outstanding. So from the interest that is generated by the market, I'm pretty sure that we are going to be done with one unit within the next few days. But the good thing or news to the market is that we are initiating Malaika phase 4. Malaika phase 4 will be a mix of both bungalows and mansionettes, and I'm making a passionate appeal to our customers or people who want to buy units to make an inquiry and book a unit as soon as possible, because I can assure you that most of these units will be snapped even before the construction has already started. So this is the most opportune moment for one to book a unit, so that we can incorporate the customer feedback and we can be able to tailor-make the unit to satisfy the customer's needs. So hopefully in the next 9 months or so, we are going to be sure that the units will be done and ready for occupation.
Nice.
The other thing is that regarding the payment, the good thing about the phase that we are doing, phase 4, is that one can book a unit now by only depositing 30% of the total purchase price, and then you put in the balance through the flexible payment plan over a period of about 9 months, between 9 months and 12 months. And so that by the time we are done with the construction, we have finished the payment, and what we just do is to hand over the keys to you. So I'm welcoming people to come and put their deposit down so that they will not be disappointed, because I can tell you for a fact that the rate at which these units are going is amazing, because the level of workmanship, very high quality of finishes. We are also known for our honesty, our integrity in all our dealings. Please come and invest with us. Thank you very much.